Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Puja. I hope you are having a great day and thank you for tuning in today. So today's video, I'm actually going to talk about the most controversial supplements on planet Earth, at least for till now, okay? I haven't seen any other supplements going through this bad controversy ever. And this is the Halo Beauty Hair, Skin and Nails Booster. I know this has gone through a lot of controversy. I don't even know why, because this is just a supplement and people are dissecting this as like that's the worst thing ever, and I simply don't understand that. However, so if you don't know what Halo Beauty is, this is actually a makeup line created by Tarte Westbrook. And if you don't know who Tarte is, she is actually a YouTuber slash a reviewer on YouTube, and she has a major fan following. At least I believe she's around 3 to 5 millions right now, if I'm not exactly mistaken, but she has a huge fan following and I am one of her fans. It's simply because she reviews like high-end to luxurious brand to drugstore to $1 makeup to like anything. She's a review channel. She reviews 5 days a week. That's insane, because making videos 5 days a week and be this consistent is really hard. And I can't even think of putting 5 videos in a day, like in a week. Like I can't do it. Like I can't. And hats off to that girl, because she has been doing this for years, and that is why I believe she's really successful. So let's jump into the Halo Beauty. So what is this? This is a dietary supplement which is called Hair, Skin and Nails Booster. This is how this guy looks like, and this is how the box looks like. So first off, I really like the presentation because this makes you feel a little bit special. So this is what the product looks like, and this is $39.95 in USD plus for the shipping. If you're in US, you are just gonna pay $5, I mean $4.95 if not more than that. If you're in Canada, you are gonna be $12.95, and if you're outside of Canada and US, it's gonna be around $20, I believe. So if you are in US, you can actually get 3 of these bottles and get a free shipping, which is amazing. And Tati, darling, if you are watching this, please make it available for Canada as well, because I would really appreciate that. And I haven't tried this product yet, but I'm really hopeful, and I think I'm gonna order more. Like, fingers crossed. Okay, so first off, I think all the pricing is in USD, but I didn't really have to pay any duties on this. I think first off it was less than $100 shopping, but if it is like, I have to see how it goes when I buy it 3 all together, or when my order goes above $100, if they charges me for duties, but I'm assuming they wouldn't be. I really love the box, like the bottle. It's simply because that actually like lists down every single ingredient of the bottle, like of the capsules, and you also know exactly what are you eating or what are you putting in your stomach. So if you are the person who has problems with gluten, if you have any problems with animal derivatives, if you're a vegetarian, if you're a vegan even, and if you cannot take certain stuff, so I feel this is gonna be pretty gosh darn good, because this doesn't even contain any sugar. So your sugar intake, at least you're not taking any excess sugar on this pill. And also, please be warned, if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, taking medication, or have any underlying medical condition, consult a health professional before use, and this actually stays in the bottle as well. And I really appreciate this. It's because this actually gives you the warning that if you have any problem, you definitely should consult your physician before you even start consuming this. Let's jump into the bottle, because I really like the way this looks like. This doesn't even look like a vitamin pill bottle for me, to be very honest with you. I saw the bottle and I'm like, oh, it's so pretty. But yeah, I like the capsules. They're all pink in color. Not like that I'm a big fan of pink by myself, but I like it. and it says Tati and gives us kisses. So okay, where can you buy this product? You can right now only buy this product at halobeauty.com. I don't think she is actually selling to any other retailer to sell these products. So if you're looking this product at Amazon, eBay, Wish, or anywhere else, they're most likely counterfeit. So be warned and do not buy from them. And actually, you know, that's not good for you either. So how to take this pill? I think it's actually okay. In the bottle even it says you are supposed to take 2 capsules every day, not more than that. And the dosage, the daily dosage in here is actually written down on the list, so you can take a look at there as well if you have any single problem. I will actually link down few videos where actually I'm actually gonna mention one video right here. Her name is Jen Loves Reviews, and she reviews everything, and she's amazing too. And on her channel she went through every single product on what you are taking, why this is important for you, how does it work on you, and all that stuff. So I will link that video down below, so don't forget to check that one out if you want to know more about all the ingredients, because that's really a thorough review. And I really I love that video, to be honest. Jen, if you're loving it, Jen, if you're watching this video, girl, hats off. You have done an amazing job on this. And because I feel a lot of us don't even know what are all these ingredients, because we are not in medical profession, neither we usually dig into this that much. So this actually, that video will help you know more on what you are putting in your body. So this is the introduction to this video series I have, and I'm actually going to put weekly reviews on my channel on this after starting taking this pill, on like how I feel, and like, you know, if it improved me by any means, or if anything is changing, if my skin condition changes, if my skin feels better or worse, or however this is turning out. I'll actually post that review every single week on my channel. I haven't picked any date up yet, but I will be picking it up very, very soon. So don't forget to come back and subscribe, actually. Subscribe and hit the bell button so you will know when I upload the video, so you can come back and check for yourself. I know there are a lot of reviews and a lot of controversies on this product already. Like literally right after it started, like right after it launched, there was a ridiculous amount of backlash she got. I don't really know why, because for me at least, I don't judge a product until I am trying on myself. So I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna be your guinea pig. So let me know in the comment section below and actually wish me luck so I can survive all this. Holy shit, I'm just sounding like a stupid ass right now. Okay. I'm really hopeful for this product, to be very, very honest with you. I'm really hopeful, and I hope this works the magic on me. Just for instance, this is how my nails looks like at the moment, which is chipped and broken and all kind of disgusting possible it could be. And it's simply because I did used to do shellac all the time. That is so bad for your real nails, and I used to do that also. It's because my original nail, what I was born with, is comparatively really thin and prone to break down like really easily. So I think this should help me with my nails at least. So I'm really looking forward to this. And also for my hair, whatever you are seeing right now is the leftover hair I have after having a torture, literally, like after coming to Canada, the water change, the weather change, and all that stuff. So I lost quite a number of hair. I wish I had more. I actually had more, but whatever. Let's not go into that alley because I'm gonna cry. So I'm really hoping to have an amazing skin and a hair and amazing nails after starting this pill. So I'm looking forward to this. And also, just so you know, if you want to know daily updates, you will find it on my Snapchat. On the Snapchat, I will update you daily when I'm taking the pill, how am I taking it, and you know, I have all the nonsense going on my Snapchat. And also I snap a lot about my babies. If you don't know, I have 3 babies. 2 are budgies, 1 is a bunny. So yeah, you'll see them on the snap. So yeah, all you need to do is just follow me there. Like, you will see all the updates. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button so when I upload you will be notified automatically. And also leave me a comment down below on what you think of this supplement. Have you started taking it? Have you thought of it? What do you think of this? I want to know all of you guys' thoughts, so let me know in the comment section below. And so now I'm actually gonna take my pill on camera, and this is gonna be the first day of the magic to begin with. So obviously as you open, you'll see the seal on the top, so you just take that guy off. So it's technically supposed to be peeled off. And I'm having a little hard time because I have no nails. It's a struggle. Oh my god. I feel like... Holy shit. Okay, however, I'm not very good at opening these boxes. It sucks big time. Does it smell like candy? I don't smell anything, to be honest with you. So I'm taking my 2 tablets right there, and obviously I'll have to put it back in. So I'm actually gonna take these both at the same time. So I'm using my water. It's just tap water. Alright, so the first capsules are in my stomach, and let's see if it does anything. Come back for the weekly results, and obviously don't forget to check me on Snapchat for daily updates. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified when I upload. Just not for this review, but also I have more videos coming up on my channel very soon. So yeah, I think that is it for the day. So I will see you guys on my next video. Till then, stay tuned, stay pretty, stay blessed, because you are special. Bye!